Well, here we are. Got the oil and coolant back in it. And should be running just fine. And get down here. Water pump's not leaking. Tubes aren't leaking. Got this pipe cinched down. That bolt was a little long, so I had to put a couple of washers in there, but that was working. And here is where it was leaking oil. Seems to be doing okay. So I think we'll put the rest of it back together. I got to adjust the chain here and put the cover back on, put the gear shift lever back on, and should get the gauges on here and balance the carburetors, but basically doing pretty good now. So that was worth the time and trouble. Took the oil filter out, put it back in correctly. That always helps. And fill the coolant back up. And keep our eye on that. I think we should be pretty good, but after it cools off, I'll open it up again and see. But I think we should be in good shape. I don't know, I think the carburetors could use a little more adjustment, but sure a lot better than when I bought it.